Hi everyone, and nice to meet all of you. And today we are going to make papers with recycled paper. Basically, this is the base of making any sort of handmade papers. It's very simple, and you can do it at home. And you can make it with everything, with like recycled paper, with like junk mails, with I keep even like a shopping receipt. I collect them, and then just basically is a very good recycling. And you can do a lot after that. You can do hand print making on those. You can make your own cards, or you can use for your art or craft. So now I'm going to start. First of all, we shredded some papers, recycled papers that you can see here. And so just like for around 10 minutes, I soak them in water. So what you do is just put some papers in blender and add some water. Like you are making some sort of shake. You need a big tub or container to put all your pulp in there and mix with water, because later we are going to make paper with those. But make sure whenever you are making your pulp, you shouldn't blend for too long. You shouldn't make it too fine. So we have here one screen and one frame. We call them decal and mold, okay? So you should put them together, and then like the straight, and when you coat your paper, slowly you have to move it side to side. That helps the water to drain. Okay, while we are waiting, so you can clean the frame.